What's up? You know, a few of you guys been like, hey, Jay, where you been at, man? Where's the content at? Where the videos at? Well, been where I've always been, doing stuff like this, putting in brand new porches, living that house life, having a house. It's a whole different grind, timetables don't work like they used to. But all that aside, we're gonna get into something today. Got here some brand new wrap. If you guys can make that out. Oh yeah, look at that in the sun. Red forest carbon. A little bit of black forest carbon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna get this on Gotham Hemi today. I'm gonna show you guys what Gotham Hemi's looking like right now, because she's gonna look a little different for y'all. She's gonna look a little different than what you guys are used to. Let's get it. Look at that. Yep, Gotham Hemi is looking back to stock. But I promise you, it's not what you think. It's not what you think. Not gonna get rid of my 300 following the most recent trends. Not gonna be doing that. Not on this channel. This car is gonna be with me to the day that I die, or it gets taken away from me. One of the two. But time to switch it up. I just felt like it was really time to switch it up. The initial stripes that I had on Gotham Hemi, that was actually never finished. It was supposed to be an entire wrap. So I'm gonna get back to focusing on doing that entire wrap. But I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I was looking at it one day and I was tired of it, And that's the good thing about vinyl. So you can just peel it right back off, do something different. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna redo the stripes on Gotham Hemi. A little bit different though. Last time I followed the body lines of the hood for the stripes in carbon fiber. I also had the roof wrapped in carbon fiber, as well as my trunk is done in carbon fiber. So all of that's coming off. We're gonna redo the trunk. We're gonna do the roof, and then we're gonna put new stripes on here, and it's gonna be a whole different look, completely different look. As you guys saw, it's already gonna be forged carbon, but I'm also got something planned for the side panels. I got something planned for the side panels here. Maybe a little something going on right here with the wrap. And then, as well as, these stickers are all faded back here. So the 300 gang, the imported from Gotham, and the Mopar stickers, they're all kind of faded. As you can see, if you look at the red here and the red in the handle, and this is looking kind of pink. Plus it's flaking a little bit. We're gonna get those off. We're gonna redo those. And yeah, man, I'm not gonna give away too many details, so I want you guys to see the final product. We're not gonna finish today the entire wrap, but what we are going to finish today is the hood. We're gonna finish the hood, and I'll probably work on replacing this front end splitter as well. But shit, everything on Gotham Hemi right now, from the splitter rods, they're completely faded, to my billets back here, these are completely faded. Gotham Hemi is in the midst of a complete makeover right now, and we're gonna start it off. I'm gonna be doing the ceramic coat job on her. Finally, last weekend I was able to get the polish out of the way, so do a little bit more details around her, put on the vinyl, and then tonight, once the sun goes down and starts cooling off, get that ceramic coating, that ceramic graphene coating put on her. She'll finally be protected again. I've been rolling for far too long with no protection on this car. It showed in my paint. I had swirl marks for days, but woo, look at that. She's back in a big way. And once we finish this wrap, man, she's gonna be back in a very big way. You feel me? Let's get to it. The hood is finished. The hood is really all I aim to do today. But look at that right there. Look how she came out. Can't wait to take her out tomorrow and see her shining in that sunshine, because that is where Forged Carbon always does the best work. When it's shining bright off of them lights. I will capture some footage tomorrow to show you guys how she looks in the sunlight. Right now it's sunset. But hood is done. We are going to finish continuing next week. Gotta order some more of the red, but for right now, this is the final look. Next, what we're going to do, did a little bit of the bumper work right here, but next is this stripe is going to continue. It's going to come down. It's going to wrap all the way around the bottom of the grill and go back up to the other side. So it'll be a complete U. Oh, she gonna look mean. She gonna look mean. Yes, sir. Shining already. All right, everybody. Well, that's going to put the wraps up on this one. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Mr. J. That's Gotham Hemi. And until next time, when we're going to finish that wrap, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.